Welcome you to the GemForex tutorial session. Today, we're going to demonstrate the step for Expert Advisor basic instrument, and we will explain to you how Expert Advisor works. Expert Advisors or EAs are automated programs that inspect market activity and currency price trends for you, and search for market signals that can bring you profits based on how you program Expert Advisors. They can even perform trading for you. Now let's see how you can manage your Expert Advisor. After you have downloaded an Expert Advisor, what we want to do is to put this file into the platform. You need to copy it to the correct folder so that the MT4 can recognize the file. The first thing you need to do is click on the word file. Go down here to the Open Data folder. Going to click on that, and what it does is it opens up the home folder on your system for your MT4 files. Now locate and open MT4 folder. Find the folder Experts and double click on Experts. Here all of your Expert Advisors files should be appearing in this folder. Then you want to copy your Expert Advisor to that folder so that the client terminal can recognize the updated database. Selecting Movie Average Expert Advisor and holding left mouse and drag it into my Experts folder. And there you go, it appears now in the list of Experts. In order that the client terminal can recognize the updated database, you will need to restart MT4. I'm gonna shut it down and open it again for running. After this, you will be able to see your new Expert Advisors in the Expert Advisor list located in the navigator window. You can have a limited number of EAs or Expert Advisors installed on any MT4. Now let's see some relevant details related to the Tools, Options, Expert Advisor tab. Tick on Allow Automated Trading option, which is known as Expert Advisor. By default and for your own safety, these two very important options have been ticked. The first option is called Disable Automated Trading when the account has been changed, and it provides you with the security that in case you switch from a demo to a real trading account, or you change one trading account type for another one, an active Expert Advisor will be automatically disabled. This means, for example, that if you test a particular Expert Advisor on your demo account, and then you log into a real trading account, your Expert Advisor will be disabled. We suggest leaving this option as it is, ticked. The second option is Disabled Automated Trading when the profile has been changed, and it provides you with the security in case you change your profile. The Expert Advisor used for a particular chart will be automatically disabled. If you want to have more control, you can tick on Disable Automated Trading when the chart symbol or period has been changed. Now we will explain how to attach the Expert Advisor to a chart. First, you need to make sure that the option Allow Automated Trading is ticked. Alternatively, you can toggle this option on and off by clicking the Automated Trading button in the toolbar. You can disable on your Expert Advisor by pressing the same button again at any time. Now you can proceed by pressing OK. You can adjust this option later when you actually attach the Expert Advisor to the chart. In order to attach the Expert Advisor to the chart, the first way, you can right-click on the Expert in the navigator window and select Attach to a chart, or double-click on the Expert in the navigator, or simply drag and drop the Expert to the desired chart. When the window appears, firstly, you should decide what types of trade your Expert Advisor has to perform, such as long buy, short sell, or both. In the live trading session, you can adjust the options which allows live trading. In the Safety tab, you can enable all imports in order to export live data from MT4. In the Input tab, you can modify the options specific to every Expert Advisor. Once the selections have been made, click OK to close the window. The Expert will now be attached to the price chart Its name will appear in the upper right-hand corner of the chart and followed by a face. The set face indicates that the expert advisor is disabled or allow live trading is inactive. An expert with a smiley face indicates that live trading has been enabled. The expert is now ready to begin analytical and trading function. Remember that when an expert advisor has been attached to a chart, if you drag and drop or replace the current chart with a new one, for example USD and JPY, the expert advisor will remain active. To remove an expert, right-click the active right chart, select Expert Advisor from the drop-down menu, and then select Remove. This concludes the GemForex How to Install and Manage Expert Advisor tutorial session. For more information, please go to en@gforex.asia. Thank you for watching.